distance below. Shadows dance on the road's dark edge, but inside this helmet, power begins to spread. Blasting through the dark on two wheels, quiet highway calling full speed. I feel no headlights behind, no rush, no fight, just me and the blacktop on in the night. Clutch out, throttle wide open, slow. Therapy hits when the worries let go. Every mile deeper into the calm unknown on two wheels at night. I claim my own throne. Sometimes the curves whisper danger low, but the freedom calls louder than I know. Moonlight paints the lines in silver white. This empty road becomes my sacred right. No one to please, no mask I need to wear, just pure release hanging in the air. Dawn is still hours away from this ride. Grateful for the darkness where my mind can hide. Quiet highway carries me mile after mile, turning chaos to clarity with every smile. One more twist before I head back home, but for now this therapy rides alone under the stars where the real me wakes. The night bike therapy no one else can take. Blasting through the